Hello, it's me.
Go away, Adele. This is my class. Anyway, the learning target for today is to determine if two triangles are similar. This is going to be very similar to when we found out if two triangles were congruent, but some differences. Let's get started. Alright, so if you remember from my determining congruence video, there were 4 ways you could find out if two triangles were congruent. They were side, 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 angle, angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side. With similarity, there's actually only 3. And those 3 are angle, angle, side, 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 and side, angle, side. So side, 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 and side, angle, side are still with similarity, just like they were congruents. But the angle, angle, side, and angle, side, angle ones have turned into just angle, angle on their own. The reason for this is for triangles to be similar, they need to have the same shape, which means all their angles have to be congruent. But we only have 2 angles here, and the reason for that is, if you remember from the third angle theorem, that says if 2 angles are congruent, then the third angle is congruent. So all you need to know that 2 of the angles are congruent, and that automatically means the third is congruent, which means the triangles are similar. So these 3 all work for similarity. And once again, we still do not have side-side angle. That is not one of them, nor will it ever be one. Alright, now how do you use these to find out if triangles are similar? So in this first one, with angle, angle, to see if they are angle, angle, we have 47 and 42 here. In this triangle, with arrows pointing to what the measurements are in each angle, because I didn't have enough room to write them, this angle is 47 and this one is 91. So that means we've got one angle congruent to another angle, 47 and 47. Now we need to know that a second angle is congruent. This one's 42, this one's 91. So we need to find out one of the third angles, either this one or this one. It doesn't matter which one you find. Find one or the other. So we'll just say 47 plus 42 is 89. So 47 plus 42 is 89. And then to find the third angle, we say 180 minus 89, which is 91. So this angle right here is 91. Now we know that if this is 91 and that's 91, those 2 are now congruent. So we now have 2 pairs of angles that are congruent. So that means these triangles are similar. So this one, we have 2 triangles, one with measurements 9, 12, 15, and one with measurements 3, 4, 5. And we want to know, are they similar? In order to find that out, we did something similar last time when we were trying to talk about similar polygons, is we have to set each ratio of sides equal to each other. So 9 corresponds to 3, 12 corresponds to 4, and 15 corresponds to 5. Now we need to reduce these, and if all 3 of these end up having the same ratio, then they are similar. So 9 over 3, or 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And 15 divided by 5 is 3. So 3 equals 3 equals 3. If all those numbers equal each other, then they are proportional, and they are similar by side, side, side. Alright, now with these two triangles, we have 8 and 4 with 85 in between them, and 6 and 3 with 85 in between them. So, with side angle side, remember the congruent angles have to be between the two sides. So 85 is between 8 and 4, 85 is between 6 and 3. So we need to make sure that these are indeed proportional. So, just like we did on the other one, we say 8 corresponds to 6, 4 corresponds to 3. 8 to 6, 4 to 3. Well, 8 over 6 is 4/3. And 4/3 doesn't reduce anymore. Stays 4/3. So we've got 4/3 equals 4/3. Those two are proportional with an angle in between them, meaning that these two triangles are similar by side angle side. Alright, that's it for this lesson today. If you want a reminder of how to solve for missing measures in similar polygons, which is more we'll be doing more of on top of this stuff here, please go back and see the similar polygons video. And like usual, please remember to take notes on the entire lesson, and right now take a picture of your notes, submit them to eBackpack. Have a good night.